Hello students, we were discussing about cash flow statement. We know the meaning of cash flow statement, that is nothing but cash flow statement. It is a third important financial statement which shows inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalents from various activities of a company during a specific period. So that means under cash flow statement we will be discussing about only the inflow and outflow of cash and cash related aspect. Basically we know there are three types of activities that will be undertaken under cash flow statement. One is operating activity, investing activity and financing activities are the three important activities. Including this, we know this is the third important financial statement according to accounting standard 3, and it has made it compulsory or mandatory for the listed companies. That means compulsorily the listed companies has to follow the cash flow statement on annual basis. So we have discussed about the meaning of operating activities. As we know, under operating activities, the important aspect that we consider is the main activity, whatever a company or an enterprises will be handling, that all those things will be coming under operating activity. So for example, under operating activities, the raw material purchased by the company, the expenses, the salary made to the employers, suppliers, all these activities will be coming under operating activities. The next one will be regarding the investing activities. As we know, under investing activities, the basic things, the activities related to the purchase or sale of long-term assets and fixed assets will be considered. That is machinery purchased or sale of that particular machinery, or purchase of buildings and sale of that particular building. All these activities will be involved in investing activities. And the third important is about financing activity, where it is related to the long-term funds and the capital of an enterprise. That is nothing but basically under financing activities, the issue of equity share, preference shares, debentures, interest paid, all these activities will be related under financing activities. So basically we have to keep it in mind the three important things. Operating means it is purely based on main activities of an enterprise. When it comes to investing activities, that is purchase and sale of asset or fixed assets or long-term assets will be considered, whereas financing activity, it is based on owner's capital and the borrowings of the enterprise, that is proceeds of equity share, debentures or taking a loan from a bank. All these activities will be involved under financing activities. This will be the brief explanation about this particular chapter. Here I have mentioned specific important concept which will come for your annual examination. So practical oriented question will be asked for 5 marks, that is write a perform of cash flow from operating activities under direct method. This format will come for 5 marks. The next one more thing which will come for your practical oriented will be, they will give any 5 types of items which will be related to your investing, operating and financing activities. Now we have to classify this under different heads. Now first, under they had given purchase of machinery. Now we have to think purchase of machinery means it will comes under investing activity. We know under investing activity we consider purchase or sale of fixed assets. Right? So where it will come, under which head it will come? It will come under investing activities. Second question they have asked for proceeds from issue of equity share. Whenever it is issue of share, when we talk about the shares, that is equity shares, preference share, debentures, that is proceeds, owner's capital we call it as, it will comes under financing activities. Third question they have asked for cash revenue from operation. That means cash will be involved under operating. When we are purchasing something, a stock, machinery, something, or the giving money to the suppliers, cash will be involved, which will comes under operating activities. Fourth one, proceeds from long-term borrowings. Again, proceeds from long-term, we were talking about loan. That means it is involved in financing activities. Now again, proceeds from sale of machinery, that is nothing but collection of money with the help of sale of machinery. It will comes under investing activity. So we have to calculate or classify all these items under different heads. So I had given answer over here. Purchase of machinery will comes under investing. Proceeds from issue of equity share will comes under financing. Cash revenue from operation, operating. Proceeds from long-term borrowings, financing activity. Proceeds from sale of machinery, investing activities. These types of questions will be asked for 5 mark, practical oriented question. Okay, let us go with one more sum. Same, classify the following cash flow statement into operating, investing and financing as per accounting standard 3. So I had given both answer as well as question here. They will ask cash purchase. Purchase of goodwill, cash paid to suppliers, interim dividend paid on equity shares, proceeds from sale of patents. Now we have to classify under which head it will come. So cash purchase will come under operating. As I said, cash is involved here. So when the company wants to purchase the raw materials, machinery or something, so they have to spend money. Basically, it will be involved under operating activities. Purchase of goodwill, it is an investing activity. They are talking about goodwill. Goodwill, as we know, it is a reputation of a company. Cash paid to the suppliers, of course, it will comes under the operating system because we are talking about the basic work of a company, enterprise, main activities. So cash paid to the suppliers, maybe purchase of raw materials, you have to pay the money, so which will comes under operating activities. Next comes with interim dividend paid on equity shares. The dividend amount paid to the equity shareholder comes under financing activity. Proceeds from sale of patent, investing again. So and the last one I had given some 1 mark questions. Kindly go through and write the notes based on this.